Lentil Pepper Salad Healthy Weight Loss Recipe. Lentil Pepper Salad is a protein-packed weight loss recipe ready in minutes. Looking for a healthy, filling, and delicious salad that supports your weight loss journey? You're in the right place. Today, we are making a colorful lentil pepper salad that's packed with plant-based protein, fiber, and fresh vegetables. It's easy to prepare, incredibly satisfying, and perfect for lunch, dinner, or meal prep. Let's get started. Ingredients you'll need: 2 cups cooked lentils, cooled 1 red bell pepper, diced 1 yellow bell pepper, diced 1 green bell pepper, diced 1 small cucumber, diced 1/2 small red onion, finely chopped, 2 tablespoons chopped fresh parsley, 2 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil, juice of 1 lemon, 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard, optional, salt and black pepper to taste, optional additions, cherry tomatoes, crumbled feta cheese, avocado slices, chili flakes for extra heat. Preparation. Start by cooking your lentils until they're tender but still hold their shape. Let them cool completely. Dice the red, yellow, and green peppers into bite-sized pieces. Next, chop the cucumber, finely dice the red onion, and roughly chop the fresh parsley. In a small bowl, whisk together the olive oil, fresh lemon juice, Dijon mustard, salt, and black pepper. Now add the cooled lentils and all the chopped vegetables into a large mixing bowl. Pour the dressing over the salad and gently toss everything together until evenly coated. Serving. Your vibrant lentil pepper salad is ready to enjoy. Serve it immediately, or refrigerate for about 30 minutes to allow the flavors to blend beautifully. This salad also makes an excellent meal prep option and stays fresh in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. Health benefits. Lentils are rich in protein and fiber, helping you stay full for longer and reducing unnecessary snacking. Bell peppers are loaded with vitamin C and antioxidants while adding natural sweetness and crunch. Combined with heart-healthy olive oil and fresh vegetables, this salad is a nutritious choice for anyone looking to eat healthier and support weight loss. If you enjoyed this healthy lentil pepper salad recipe, don't forget to like this video. Subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications for more easy, healthy recipes every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next recipe. Happy healthy eating!